Here's a 2013 Lexus RX 450h. This hybrid is sophistication sharpened and luxury transformed. The untamed elegance will take you away. It's well equipped with the features you need: V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, power tilt-down heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, auto dimming mirrors, power tilting steering column, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver reports the hybrid model is particularly well sorted out, and both RXs are easier to use as mind-numbing commute erasing devices than they were before. Even as enthusiasts, we have to admit there are plenty of days when such a device would come in handy. Lexus, performance in every detail. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
At Arizona Car Sales, the price you see is the best upfront price, and you don't have to negotiate for it. Get the car, truck, or SUV you want and experience the Arizona Car Sales difference today.